Hey, hey guys, welcome back to Real Talk PH, your safe space kung saan pwedeng maglabas ng saloobin, makinig, at maramdaman na hindi ka nag-isa. I'm your host, Cariel, and today we're going to talk about something that everyone can relate to. This is our episode 6, Regrets and Second Chances. You know that feeling when it's quiet at night and your mind starts to wander? Bigla mong maiisip, sana pala ginawa ko to, or sana hindi ko siya sinaktan, or if only I had one more chance. Ang sakit nun, di ba? Kasi minsan kahit gaano mo gustong ibalik, hindi na talaga pwede. But don't worry, today we'll talk about it. Let's talk about our regrets, the lessons behind them, and the beauty of second chances. Kasi minsan, the things we regret the most are the same things that teach us the most about who we are. Regret, isa sa mga pinakatahimik pero pinakamabigat na emosyon sa mundo. It doesn't always scream, but it stays in your chest, heavy, day after day. Maybe you regret not chasing a dream. Maybe you regret letting go of someone who truly cared for you. Or maybe you regret not loving yourself enough when you needed it most. We've all been there. And you know what? It's okay. Because regret means you cared. It means you have a heart that feels deeply. It means you tried. Hindi mo kailangang ikahiya yung mga pagkakamali mo. You don't have to carry the guilt forever. Because those moments, kahit gaano kasakit, made you stronger, wiser, and more human. Sometimes we hold on too long to our regrets, thinking they define us. But the truth is, they shape us, not define us. Every wrong decision teaches you how to make the right one next time. So, kung may pinagsisisihan ka ngayon, take a deep breath. Forgive yourself. You did the best you could with what you knew at that time. And that's enough. Now, let's talk about forgiveness. Not for others, but for yourself. Madalas, tayo yung pinakamahirap patawarin. We replay our mistakes over and over, like a movie we can't stop watching. We say, sana hindi ko yun ginawa, or sana nakinig ako noon. Pero alam mo, kahit ilang ulit mong balikan yan, hindi mo na mababago yung nangyari. Ang pwede mo lang baguhin kung paano mo tinitingnan ang sarili mo ngayon. You're not your past. You're not your mistake. You are your growth. And sometimes, the bravest thing you can do is to say, I forgive you, to yourself. Kasi habang kinikimkim mo yung galit at guilt, ikaw lang din ang nasasaktan. So please, let it go. Give yourself the same kindness you freely give to others. You deserve peace too. Ang ganda ng buhay, no? Kasi kahit ilang beses tayong madapa, may paraan si life para bigyan tayo ng second chance. Sometimes it's not the same situation. Maybe a different job, a new person, or a fresh start. Pero one thing's for sure, it's a reminder that it's not over yet. You lost someone, you'll find peace. You failed a dream, you'll discover a new one. You made a mistake, you'll learn from it. That's the beauty of second chances. Hindi laging binibigay ng iba, minsan ikaw mismo ang kailangang magbigay niyan sa sarili mo. You don't need anyone's approval to start over. Hindi mo kailangan ng okay ng kahit sino. You just need to believe that you still can. Kasi hanggat humihinga ka, may pag-asa pa. Hanggat lumalaban ka, may second chance pa. Let's be real. Minsan, regrets come with insecurities. You start comparing your life to others. Bakit siya parang ang ayos ng buhay? Bakit ako parang laging palpak? Ang hirap, di ba? But let me tell you something. Your journey is your own. Hindi mo kailangang sabayan ang takbo ng iba. Social media shows us highlights, the best angles, the happiest smiles. Pero hindi mo alam yung pinagdaanan nila sa likod ng mga larawan na yan. Everyone is fighting their own silent battles. So don't ever think you're behind. Hindi ka late. Hindi ka kulang. You're exactly where you need to be. The fact that you're still trying means you haven't given up, and that's something to be proud of. Let's talk about hope. Maybe right now life feels heavy. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you're doubting yourself. Pero please don't lose hope. You've made it this far. That means something. You survived things you once thought would break you. And look at you now. Still here, still breathing, still fighting. You might not see it, but you've grown. You're becoming stronger every single day. And one day, you'll look back and say, "Buti na lang hindi ako sumuko." Love yourself for that. Be proud of how far you've come. And never forget, you deserve another chance. To love, to heal, to live. Hindi mo kailangang maging perfect para maging deserving ng second chance. Ang kailangan mo lang ay tapang. Yung tapang na bumangon kahit ilang beses ka nang nadapa. So, as we close this episode, I want you to take a deep breath with me. Inhale peace. Exhale regret. Let go of the things you can't change and start focusing on what you can still create. Kasi kahit may mga mali kang nagawa, may mga pagkakataon ka pa rin para itama. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below or message me directly on Real Talk PH. Tell me, what's one thing you wish you could have a second chance at? Or what lesson did a regret teach you? And if you have a topic you want me to talk about next time, let me know. I want this podcast to be a space where we grow and heal together. Kasi tandaan mo, this isn't just my podcast, it's ours. A space where we can be honest, real, and unapologetically human. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I'm Cariel, and this is Real Talk PH. Always remember, you are loved, you are forgiven, and you always have another chance to begin again.